everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a Miniso haul. So Miniso actually is very close to my house. I was just taking a walk, came across a Miniso and I was very much lured by these amazing things that were inside, and I thought let me just go and see what's new, and this happened. So I came with 2 full bags and I'm so super excited to share all of this with you guys. The Miniso is actually also available on Amazon, so you necessarily not go to a store, which I would also not suggest considering the situation right now. You can definitely order it from Amazon. So I'm going to leave all the direct links of the products that I will be showing in this particular video. I have 2 full bags over here. Now there are certain things that are repeat and there are certain things that are new that I'm trying. So let's quickly get started. The first thing, their storage collection is amazing. They have huge storage like options like laundry baskets, lot of storage baskets, various things, and I got myself these 2. I already have a lot of storage baskets, but you know, you can never have them enough, and I really like the quality of these baskets. These are for 90 rupees each, and I wanted a size which is not really very small and not also very big. So I'm going to keep all the wires and you know, the phone chargers and all of that in one, and the battery, the power banks, all the electrical things, meaning I'm going to keep it on the desk where I actually charge all my equipments. Because I'm a YouTuber, I have a laptop, I have an iPad, I have phones, I have chargers, I have cameras, I have batteries, and everything is really cluttered all the time. So for that I wanted this, and this is such a perfect size. It's really good quality. Like, I really like the quality. They had 2 colors there available. There was this really nice beige color, and then they also had a dark color. So I just went for the beige one. 90 rupees each, totally worth it. But they also had this in bigger sizes, so you can definitely go for the bigger sizes if you want. The quality is really good. Then I got myself this clear pouch. Now this says Ice Bear will protect you. I find this slightly expensive for 140. Now if you know this, then I'm also an aspirant. I take a lot of exams, so these days wherever you go, you are expected to bring a clear pouch so that you know everything that is inside of your pencil or pen pouch is visible. So I never had one, so when I saw this, I got myself one of this, and I think it's really cute and it's really handy, and it is very useful for me. So when I was looking for this, I happened to come across this. It's a bigger size, but it is really good for folders and you know, your certificates or any paper thing that you want to carry in this one. And it is also very easy to navigate through papers and things because it is see-through. I just liked it a lot, so I thought, you know, I'll have a matchy set, and this is for 190. This is for 140 and this is for 190. I don't know why, but I really like this bigger one. I think this is so much more value for money. Moving on to 2 things that I'm trying for the first time are their diffusers. Now I have tried their candles. Their candles are good, okay, but I have not tried their diffusers. So they had a lot of candles displayed, and it's very hot right now in Delhi, and I did not really, you know, spend my money on candles in this season especially, so I went for the diffuser. I got these 2 diffusers. This is the Elegant series and the Inkjet series. So I think Elegant one is slightly pricey, 390, and the Inkjet one is for 250. I loved the smell of this one. They had a lot of fragrance, like there was lavender, there was jasmine. A couple of them I sniffed and I really liked this one. This is actually rose, and they had a very good system to test over here. So they have this you know, a place where you can just remove this thing and you can have a sniff and smell so good. It is so fresh, so refreshing, and I just love the fragrance of rose, as opposed to a lot of people, you know, a lot of people do not like the fragrance of rose. For me, I love the fragrance of rose, you know. The fragrance of rose that is not really sickly or sweet or very intense. This is not intense. It's a very mild rose, and I'm assuming that's going to make my house smell really good. And then I got myself this one. This is vanilla latte, and this smelled kind of nice. I don't know for this weather vanilla is really good or not, but this is going to be my diffuser for the bathroom, and I just happen to like these 2 scents, and I really like these scents. I would totally recommend this rose one. If this is available online, just close your eyes and buy it, because even if you do not like rose, you will somehow happen to like the, you know, fragrance of this diffuser rose. It's amazing. Moving on to something which is very cliched, very important for me nonetheless, are these cotton pads. These are multi-purpose pads, and this is for 250 rupees for a lot of pads. Now there are different types of of pad, I would suggest there's one that comes in the box that is not at all good. But this one is very good. I just like their cotton pads a lot. So anytime I'm in Miniso, I never come empty-handed. I always buy these cotton pads or the Q-tips or those kind of really essential important things. Then I got myself a set of pens. So there are 3 pens in here, and I already have finished one. This is so good, writes really well. These are actually gel pens, so 0.7 mm. So I love the thickness, which is 0.7 mm ka nib as opposed to 0.5 mm. Mujhe lagta 0.5 mm is very precise, and 0.7 is my favorite. So I got a pack of this, and this one is priced at ₹100 for 3 pens. Then I got myself this bunch of hair ties. These are so important because I feel that you lose them like nobody's business. So this was an important thing, so I got myself a set or a bunch of hair ties. I don't know how many are in there. I think I'm not really sure. I think there are 20. So yeah, that was bag number 1. Now moving on to the second bag. Their bags do not have names. I think because of the pandemic they did not get the Miniso logo printed. So I got myself this hanger. I had my eyes on this set of hangers from a really long time, and I thought, I'll get one set for myself. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 10 hangers in here, and there were different types of hangers, various types of hangers. Different colors were available, and I was really confused, and I didn't know which hanger to go for. This one, I don't remember how much this is priced at. So this hanger is actually priced at ₹160 for 10 pieces, which I think is a magnificent deal. These are otherwise plastic, but they're super sturdy, and I think these are really good for summer clothes. I think these would even be great for winter sweaters and all, but especially for summer, like t-shirts or shirts or dresses like this one, this is going to be perfect. So I'm really happy that I got myself this one. Their kitchen section and homeware section, I think Miniso is kind of upgrading that, and they are really stepping up their game, which I think is a great thing. I love their crockery as well. I think in previous videos of mine of Miniso, I have I think I have an entire playlist of Miniso hauls. If you want to watch that, I'll definitely leave the link of it in the description box below or as an icon. I think I've shown you guys the crockery from Miniso. Honestly, I still have them in the kitchen. So their crockery is amazing. I really like it. They had a few things, but I was really driven towards buying a few coffee mugs or the tea mugs, but I already have so many, so I refrained. But I'm sure when I'm purging few of the coffee mugs out, I'll definitely go and get myself few from there, because they have really amazing collection and super good quality, because I've already used their crockery, mugs, plates and all those kind of things. They're really good. Their kitchen and homeware section is my next love, honestly. So next time if I'm buying from there, it's going to be 90% kitchen stuff, and I simply enjoy that. Next up, I got Q-tips. As I told you guys, Q-tips, cotton buds, these are really important for Mini. So they're very affordable and they come in big packages, so they actually prove worth the money. This is for 190 rupees for so many buds. They were like available in different shapes as well and different colors, but white just stands out for me, so I got that. I got 2 sets of tissue papers. These are face tissues. If you don't know this, then I run through face tissues a lot because I do not use a face towel. I use face tissues after I kind of wash my face, so I need them a lot. So I really stock up on them. Moving on to some, summer body mist. They had such a large collection of body mist. I was simply so amazed. I was so curious to know all the scents, but I could only get my hands on 3. So first one that I got is slightly manly. Some of my friends also want to make a gift of perfumes to their boyfriends, husbands, brother, whoever. So I think that's really useful. I got this one. This is very manly, macho kind of a scent. I would definitely love it on a boy or a man. This is Body Mist Summer Night, and this one is, if you like men's scents, you would love it. I don't like men's scents on myself, but I definitely like men's scents, and I think this is a really, really good fragrance. It's very summery, it's very cologne like, but very manly. It's a manly scent. It's really sexy. Love this. Next I got this one. This is called as Body Mist Exotic Love. I didn't tell you the price of this one. This is super affordable. This is like 260 rupees ka bottle for 250 ml. So this is like super economic in my opinion. Pura summer I think this will last. So it's very good. It's a really big bottle. Next I got this one. This is Exotic Love, and this is for women. Like, it's a feminine scent, and this smells like what do I say? Oh my god, there's a flower that smells very close to it. It's very yellow color का flower होता है, पेड़ पे निकलता है, मुझे exactly तो नहीं पता उसका नाम, but it smells like that. It's floral, but it's very summer floral, and it is not a sickly floral scent. Yeah, it's a summer floral light scent, and it is perfect for teenagers. I feel like if you are young in school or college, just starting out with college, you will love this. Moving on to this one, I would say this is my favorite from the three that I got. This is called as Joyful Dance, and this is also for 260 for 250 ml ka bottle. In fact, all the body mists were for 260 rupees for this quantity, and this looks really pretty. It's like pink bottle. I don't know why, just curiously drawn to pink color scents. Okay, this smells like slightly citrusy with floral, so, and it is sweet. If you're not into sweet scents, stay away from this, because it's very sweet. It's sugary and citrusy and floral. So this one is slightly intense. This one is good for summer evenings, and again, it's great for youngsters like teenagers. This smells like very sweet. Moving on to something else that I got. So this is the time of masks, and how can you not buy masks? They had super cute face masks that were available, so I got myself this one, which is a gray color one. Of course, I'm going to give you a close-up because you'll not be able to see. There's this really cute you know, cartoon over here, and you just cannot have enough mask. And the second one that I just tried on, like I didn't use it, I've just tried it. This one is a peach mask. It absolutely matches my dress, the one that I'm wearing, and it's a big mask. It's a very big mask. So yeah, this is how it is going to look, and it is perfect. It's big in size, it has a nose wire, and it is perfect. So they had a lot of cute masks, and I got two of these. These are reusable ones. You can definitely wash it. 190 rupees each mask. Moving on to something which I find is super important to have are these socks. So I got these socks. These are like 2 pairs socks each, and for 160 rupees each. One is dark gray, one is light gray. I got this for my nephew, and you know, I think these are men's socks. Yes, these are men's socks, and these are very, very, you know, comfortable, and I feel like affordable as well. Nothing more to talk about socks. Moving on to something which is very important for me in summers. If I'm heading out, I never head out without an umbrella. Umbrella is something which is very important for me, and sometimes I carry smaller bags. So for smaller bags, you need smaller umbrellas, and I got myself this. They had so many colors and different types of styles on the shelf. There was one white color one that I really liked, but then I ended up picking up this light blue color one, and this is what it looks like. It has a cover on top. You remove that, you remove the cover, open it from here, and this is the umbrella. So it's not a very big umbrella. So it is not a very big umbrella, but it is a good size, and it's going to fit my purse on my bag perfectly. So I think that's great. So but I feel this is slightly expensive for 690 rupees. Moving on to something again which is very, very important considering the situation right now. I was really amazed to see that they had so much of variety of liquid hand washes. This was new to me, so I picked up two of these, and the first variant is the lemon one, the second one is the green apple one. I simply love the green apple so much, and this was not very expensive also. 160 rupees for 470 ml. It comes with a pump. It is super useful, and it is super, you know, it smells really good, and I just love them so much. They had a lot of variety of these. I picked up two, and I think I'm very happy with this one. I overall really liked that Miniso is actually kind of changing their game from just stationery to cutesy stuff. They're actually moving into the realm of utility items, which is really nice, because when I used to shop previously, everything was like, a lot of the things were really cute, so I picked them up because they were cute. Now when I go there, I find that, you know, the adult me finds such a you know, happiness that, oh my god, there's a frying pan, there's a wok, there are tiffin boxes, there are storage boxes, there are storage kitchen storage containers, such good quality cutlery, cups, and all those kind of things. So next time I'm really going with all of those things in mind, so make sure that you keep an eye out for that. That was everything in this Miniso haul of mine. I'll try and give the link of every single thing in the description box below, and everything is available on Amazon. You can simply go to the description box, click on the product, product link and you can purchase it. So that's everything in this video of mine, guys. Let me know what you loved the most in this video, which was your favorite thing in this particular haul, and anything you would like to suggest, recommend, or if there's anything that you want me to review from Miniso, let me know in the comment section below. I would definitely pick those things up and I would definitely review it for you. But in the meantime, if you want to watch few more things that you feel like ki iska review hota to acha hota, check out my playlist on Miniso. I have done Miniso perfumes ke videos. I have done a lot of Miniso hauls, so you can definitely go ahead, check those videos out and let me know what you think about them. So thank you so much once again for watching. Take very good care of yourself, stay indoors, stay safe, and I love you all very much. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very, very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye, guys. Bye. By the way, this dress is from Myntra. It's a really nice off-shoulder dress. It's a cotton dress, and I'll leave the link of it in the description box below. I just got it today and I was very excited to wear it. It's a cotton dress and it's perfect for the summers. Okay, bye.